In Arduino, a digital signal is a signal that can be either high or low. It is used to communicate between the Arduino board and other devices like buttons. How can we use digital signals with Arduino? This what will we learn in this video. Connections. We will start with lamp. The positive lamp terminal will be connected to pin 13. The negative terminal will be connected to ground. One kilo ohm resistance terminals will be connected to pin 2 and the ground, as you see in the video. The normally open button terminals will be connected to pin 2 and 5 volt out. Now it's time to programming. Our program consists of 3 parts. Before void setup, this area defining variables as you see. The second part is void setup to configure inputs and outputs. Void loop, here you can write the main program. Now we will define 3 variables. First and second variables to define the normally open button input pin 2 and the lamp output pin 13. We use constant because variables will not be changed in the main program. We define these variables as init because 2 and 13 are integer numbers. Stator variable to check if the pin 2 is 1 or 0, so we defined it as integer and we don't use constant because it will be changed in the program. Now we will go to void setup. In Arduino, we use pinmode instruction to configure our pins as input or output. When we write pinmode instruction, its color will be changed to orange. This means it is correct. To use pinmode instruction, open 2 brackets. The first element will be pin number, the second element will be if it output or input. Now we configure pin 2 as input and pin 13 as output. If instruction if is used in program when we need to check if a condition is true or false. If it is true, it will do an action. If not, it will do another action. You can use if instruction and write it as you see on the screen. We will use button statement variable to read the condition of pin 2 if it is high or low. By using digitalread instruction, we will use if instruction to check the condition of pin 2 that button is connected to. If it is high, it will write high on pin 13 by using digitalwrite instruction that can write high or low on an digital output. Else mean if pin 2 is not high, it will write low on pin 13, so the LED will be off. After uploading the program on Arduino and connect our elements together to make our circuit, it will work as you see in the video. Here we use deep switch number 1 as a button. When it is on, the LED will be on. When it is off, the LED will be off.